Hello, lovely. Everything's all set with the live, so just let me know if we're all ready, okay?
Yeah, we can good to go. Yeah.
Oh, all right. So I think we can start our Amy then. So
Yes.
first off, let's welcome everybody to our Amy for today. So hello, everyone. And hello to our community people listening with us right now on this AMA. Once again, welcome back to another Crypto Astronaut Binance Live. And today, guys, we will be getting to know more about RXR Lab. So, joining with me today, our lovely guest is Miss Lovely. So, Miss Lovely will be the one to answer all of the questions that we have for today's AMA, which this session will be extremely informative for everybody. So, yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy this AMA. So once again, hi Miss Lovely and welcome to Crypto Astronaut.
Hi, Miss Clayton. It's our pleasure to be here and to represent our project. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for inviting us here. Yeah.
Thank you very much as well, Miss Lovely. We totally appreciate having you here in our community. So now, before we start the questions about RXR Lab, let us take a moment to get to know you firstly. So, Miss Lovely, can you please briefly introduce yourself to the community listening with us today? Just a little something about you, your experiences, and the space as well.
All right, yeah, for sure. And hi everyone. As Miss Caitlin tell told to all of us and all of you specifically that I'm lovely, and I think many of you are know about me in this like restaurant community because here is as a host and I'm doing representative for representation for various projects, and today I'm come here as a representative on the behalf of $1 purchase, and it's like a very incredible project. And about myself, actually, I have been this space from like last 3 or 4 years. Journey is so amazing, so thrilling, and I got a like lot of knowledge about the Web3 space, about the blockchain security, and yeah, I like many to count. Actually, this is such a beginning, so yeah, there's like years to count in to like know more about this incredible space, guys. And yeah, please listen this session carefully and get to know more about the $1 purchase from my side. Yeah, thank you, Katie.
Thank you very much, Miss Lovely, as well. Once again, we appreciate it, and we're also very excited to have you on board here to educate us and enlighten us about RXR Labs. So now let's start with our first question. So let's talk about firstly about the business model that you guys have. Basically the key highlight that you mentioned earlier, which is the $1 purchase of RXR Lab. So Miss Lovely, can you tell us what is the $1 purchase business model? And can you tell us how to play this game as well?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much for that question. And yeah, guys, let's dive deep in. So let me like a little introduce you about this incredible project. So, guys, actually, the $1 purchase model we have introduced at like RXR dot lab in a like revolutionary mix of crowdfunding and lottery, where like anyone around the world can participate in winning high value assets for could see minimal combination. And basically this concept is like popular globally, guys, but RXR dot lab is like taking it as like a whole new level using blockchain technology, equity economics, and user empowerment. So let me just share you like how exactly it works. So guys, let's just imagine that one BTC is worth of 100K, and we split this into like 10,000 or could say 10K equal unit, and allow like each participant to purchase a lottery number for just $10. Okay, so basically like when all the units are sold, we conduct a transparent and blockchain recorded lottery draw, and of course like one winner take the BTC home, and could see like minus a platform fee which goes back to the server community. And what make it thrilling is that you guys like you don't need to fortune to win big actually, and we are playing in a system where transparency, fairness, and participation incentives are built in, guys. So I invite you, every viewers here, to today to like come to be the part of RXR dot lab. It's a project like that designed for everyone, guys, from could see casual user to could see a serious investor. And this is not just another lottery. This is a could see a gateway in a new decentralized future of equity driven environment. So yeah, that's the basic introduction from my end. Thank you, Caitlin.
Thank you so much, Miss Lovely, for that. And we totally appreciate that. That was a very fantastic way to kickstarter Amy for today. So yeah, thank you so much. So now let's move forward into getting into the closer look into the entire ecosystem and structure of RXR Lab. So Miss Lovely, can you also explain to us how does RXR Lab integrate blockchain technology to ensure the transparency and fairness in the $1 purchase model that you've explained earlier?
Yeah, excellent question. I'm glad you bring this up, Caitlin. Thanks for that. So, guys, we all know that the transparency is very important in blockchain space. So, in traditional lottery system, guys, the biggest concern is trust, right? So, how do I know like result are fair, right? And how you guys know that the result are fair? So, how do I know that the company isn't manipulating things behind the scenes? This is the main thing that we concern in our traditional system, right? But at rxr.lab, we eliminate that concern by like integrating the blockchain at the core of like everything we do, and all our lottery draws and could say transaction and smart contract operation are recorded on chain. So this is like quite transparent. That basically means no manipulation. That basically means no backdoor access, right? And other than this, no hidden operation. This is crucial. All things are transparent like mirror. Okay, so every raw is transparent and verifiable by anyone like using blockchain explorers. And yeah, thanks to blockchain decentralized and immutable nature, actually we have created a space where trust is guaranteed, not assumed, guys. So just be the part of our incredible community, be the part of the lottery system. All thing will be fair and the luck is yours, so no issue on that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I believe that is a really important component considering that, of course, for every lottery methods, lottery model out there, transparency and fairness is the main key factor that everybody is looking to because basically, right, that is one of the most important thing for our users out there who would be participating on this. So thank you so much for that. So now let's move forward to another question, okay? So we know that there are other traditional lottery methods already that are basically existing and to those that are familiar to the people already. So Miss Lovely, can you once again explain what is the $1 purchase lottery model introduced by RXR Lab, and also how does it differ from the traditional lottery methods that are out there existing?
Mm-hmm. All right. So this is a very exciting, could say, information that I'm going to give you guys. So please listen this up very carefully. Put your volumes up. So guys, basically, the traditional lottery, if you don't win, you lose everything, right? This is the normal concept, or this is the normal thing we know from like years. But others were like RXR.lab changed the game completely. What's that mean? Actually, we combine listed company logic, could see blockchain technology and equity incentive. So even if you don't win the lottery, what you will get, actually, our company will compensate with the RXR tokens to you. Here's the magic. Actually, like each RXX token are equal to one share of our .lab platform, actually, and that basically means, guys, you are now the shareholder. Other than this, you will get the benefit from like a profit sharing and token price appreciation as well. And lastly, you can still recover your original investment over time. So yeah, I'm like no loss here. Okay, so for example, let me just give you an example. Early user recover all their costs by the 14 operating cycle. That means long-term holders of RXR tokens are not only lottery players, guys. That basically they are investor in the growing ecosystem, the investor of our growing ecosystem. Okay, so isn't not a, like a win, guys, or a loss game for everyone or anymore. it's just a system where like everyone wins in the long time. You just be the our let's say stakeholder for long term, and you will get your price back, you will get your invested money back. Okay, so yeah, if you're like watching this now, guys, this is your chance. Believe me, this is your chance to become an early adapter and share in the success of rxr.lab. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's lovely. That was a really amazing explanation. And even with a little demonstration as well, the little example, that totally helped us to be enlightened on, of course, the $1 purchase method that you guys are introducing. So thank you very much. That's very helpful for us. So now let's move forward to another question, okay? So, another important question that I want to ask Miss Lovely is, can you explain how does RXR Labs business model ensure the continuous growth and also the profit sharing among all of your stakeholders?
Okay, yeah, absolutely, Miss Caitlin. And you know, Caitlin, this is what makes like RXR.lab truly revolutionary, could say. I'm so sorry. And we don't like believe in the, could say, AR token, guys. I mean, like token with, could say, real world value. RXR coin is like a two equity backed token. That's part of the real world assets, or in short, could say RWA structure. And basically, each like RXR token represent one share in the RXR dot lab platform, as I told you earlier as well. And that basically means that this means that the platform generate profit, and RXR token holder will get receive the dividend annually. Other than this, they will enjoy coins price growth as the business expand day by day. And you know, like the blockchain space are ever evolving, so the profit is all your guys. And beside that, you have a real stake of RXR dot lab future as well. And you know, guys, like this model is designed to align incentive between users, between team, promoters, and investor as well. That basically means that everyone wins when the platform grows. Okay, so yeah, just don't just pay, own a piece of the platform, and do follow all our social channels. And I invite you all, guys, just join our all the social channels. And if you have any question, feel free to drop this question on our social platform. Me or our other team member, or let's say our moderator, will definitely going to guide you. So no issue on that. Just try it out once, and you will love it. Yeah.
Oh, that was fantastic to hear. Thank you so much for that explanation about the business model. I believe that is something very essential for everybody to be, to be familiar of, considering that this is one of the things that is driving the growth and success as well of RXR Labs. So thank you so much, Miss Lovely, for that. So moving forward to another question. This is a very interesting question, and I believe this is something very important as well. So, Ms. Lovely, can you explain how does the 50% tax principle and 50% discount token allotment mechanism contribute to the platform's sustainability and fairness as well?
All right, yeah, got it. That's the another brilliant innovation, could say, Ms. Caitlin. So, yeah, guys, like fairness and efficiency is a challenges like every lottery model. So, we have solved it by charging a 50% tax on every winning prize. And second would be we could say that we are going to redistributing it back into the ecosystem to basically compensate non-winners as well, so that like they will not get demotivated by that, like they will not win or something like that. Okay, and this basically allow us to like offer RXR token allotment at like a 50% discount to participant. And I believe like that's the huge advantage, that funded directly by the platform, not out to like thin air. Okay, so even if you don't win the BTC guide, you walk away with the RXR equity that could like appreciate significantly over time. And yeah, like it's a like a win-win structure that ensure the long-term sustainability, also fairness within our ecosystem, and no like other lottery system offer this level of value return to participant. Believe me, I like bet on you on blockchain specifically. So yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. I believe getting to know about, those principles and mechanisms, I think that is something very important as well for us to, to be really getting the entire context or, the entire system behind RXR Lab. So thank you so much for that, Miss Lovely. That is something very helpful for all of our listeners. So now let's move forward to another important question as well. So, Miss Lovely, can you also explain to us how does RXR Lab integrate the traditional economic principles with, cryptocurrency?
All right, yeah, got it. Another interesting question, Miss Caitlin. So, guys, actually, we have designed RXR.lab based on the Nobel winning financial theory. Here, basically, the capital assets pricing model, or could say RMPM, works. So, basically, what's that mean? The RMPM help us to evaluate risk and expected return. That basically using real business fundamental, not just speculation. Okay, so we have actually conservatives, but we use like 100 or let's say 10x price to earnings ratio by circulation. And a second, while the like crypto market often see like 50x or could say 100x or even like 200x per like year multiplies as well. So that's the winning amount for you. And this is isn't just like a hype, guys. I mean, like it's a mathematic, and our white paper breakdown. So exactly like how could RXR realistically surpasses BTC in the market cap. So do check it out. Like that's highly recommended from my end. Please do check it out the white paper, and you will get the idea like how exactly the things work within our ecosystem. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Lovely. That was a fantastic explanation as well. Thank you so much. So now that you've mentioned, right, on the white paper about you actually proposed in your white paper that the market value of RXR will exceed Bitcoin in the future, and the price will be able to reach 5,707 U. So, about this, Miss Lovely, I think this is a really bold claim, and this is something very mind blowing for us to hear as well, considering that this is well discussed in your white paper. So, Miss Lovely, compared with the current IEO issue price of 0.0357, this will be a 160,000 fold increase, I believe. So how will this be possible? Like how did you guys calculate this?
All right, yeah, another good question. So, let me just break down so easily. And yeah, guys, like here's what exciting about our initial exchange offering, or could say IEO. So, we can like grab a RXR token, or you can grab RXR token at just could say 0.0 $357. Okay, this is a very minimal amount, and this is the lowest entry price available to all of you. So our current circulation is only could say 40 a million out of 380 million total supply, and that is extremely limited, could say. Once listed, prices are like likely to soar, and in fact, on like Uniswap, we have like already seen 890% rise in 12 days. So that's the kudos to all our team member. They are like bringing with such a innovative idea, and they are like making we are like getting like a good response from our community members. So yeah, that's the good sign. And remember, guys, like there is no need to convert token into shares. Your token is exactly equal to your shares. So as soon as you own RXR, you own a RXR.lab shares. Okay, and yeah, join the IEO before April 7th actual, and be ready to like listen on April 9th across P2P. on could see Asbit, decentralized exchange rate as well, and bit storage as well. Please note down all the listing platform and be ready to buy our token on uh, could see 9th, yeah, 9th of April. Got it.
Thank you, Miss Lovely. And to the people listening, guys, you can basically check their white paper for more deeper, explanations in there. So we highly recommend you to go check it out because once again, guys, this is something massive and really mind blowing to know about RXR. Thank you, Miss Lovely, for that. So another question that I want to ask now let's talk about the IEO that we've mentioned earlier. So, can you tell us what are the benefits for users who would be participating in RXR Labs initial exchange offering or what we call IEO? And how does the token to equity conversion work? And also, maybe along with this question, can you also like tell us a little bit about the breakdown of the tokenomics? Like, what is the total supply of your tokens, and what is your current circulation?
All right, yeah, thank you, Caitlin. And I think I already touched on that, but yeah, let me just repeat it very quickly because I love to like tell more and more to our audience like how exactly our platform work and what's the listing price and all the thing. So yeah, guys, you can grab RXR token at just like let's say 0.0. 375 a dollar, and actually this is the lowest price available to all of you, and as of the moment the current circulation is only 40 million. Yeah, you heard it right. The current circulation is 40 million out of how much? Out of 280 million total supply. So this is like very limited, extremely limited. So once we are going to like list, the prices are like likely to like jump in. And in fact, I could see, as per the Uniswap analysis, as I told you earlier as well, our token price rise at like 890% in just 12 days. So that's huge. And other than this, as I told you earlier as well, you don't need to worry that your when your like could say a token will convert into share. Actually, your token is totally equivalent to your RXR took I'm like shares. So no need to worry. So as soon as you own RXR token, you own a part of our wonderful ecosystem. And once again, let me just like tell you about this as well. That please join our EO before April 7th April. Okay, please note down. And yeah, be ready for like listing on April 7th across how many platform? Across could see in total four platform. That is P2B, Asbit, tax rate, and fourth is a bit storage. So please remember this and be ready. Yeah.
Thank you very much for that, Miss Lovely. That is something very amazing to hear. So that the people, guys, do not miss this out. This IEO is a very fantastic opportunity for us to hop in on this with a discounted price, right? To get it in a good price. So yes, go over to their socials, guys, to get to know more information. So actually, Miss Lovely, my next question is in regard to the exchanges. Actually, you've mentioned four exchanges, right? And that is actually something very impressive for us to hear. To know that you guys will be listed on these major exchanges that uh, everybody basically knows and uses. So, Miss Lovely, once again, can you repeat what would be the exchanges that the RXR token will be listed on? And also, is the RXR token also listed on the decentralized exchange, for example, in Uniswap?
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for asking that, Miss Caitlin. Let me just give you a little information on that. Yeah, guys. So basically, we are going to list on 9th of April on Exhibit, on Bit Storage, on Dax Trade, and lastly, one more platform. Let me just check it out. Hold on. Okay. Mm-hmm. Where's that platform actually? I just forgot. Yeah, and that is P2B as well. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the for platform when we are like going to list. And other than this, about that Unisap, actually we already gained about like 890% within like 12 days. So that's the little information that I provide earlier as well. And thank you for reassuring that, Miss Caitlin. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Lovely. That is something very amazing once again for us to hear. So, guys, I recommend you to not miss out the IEO, guys, because there are lots of exciting listings coming up ahead for the RXR token. Thank you so much, and guys, take note of the dates that Miss Lovely mentioned. All right, so now that we've discussed about your token, let us also discuss about your NFTs. This is a really hot thing, right? So, yeah, hold on. Give me a moment. All right, hold on for a while. All right, so once again, guys, before I ask the next question, I want you guys to check out the social media links of RXR Lab. Already, you posted in our Telegram community at Crypto Astronaut. So everything is basically in there, guys. So check it out. All right, so now moving forward to another question. Let's also talk about your NFTs, Miss Lovely. So about the NFTs, can you tell us what are your NFT privileges and also what are your Lion King NFT plans?
Yeah, for sure, Caitlin. Thank you for asking that. So, guys, our NFTs are not basically just a art. Actually, that's power our RXR ecosystem. So there are the different privilege that you will get while like holding our NFT. First, when you hold our NFT, you will earn up to 40% XRR XX RXR reward through raffle, or whether through direct or indirect. And next, you will get a 10% rebates on note purchase made by your network specifically. And yeah, while like holding our NFT, you will become our platform partner as well. And our NFT Lion King program is simple and rewarding. First, you just need to register in our platform that I'm going to provide you on Crypto Astronaut Telegram group. So no need to worry about it. You just need to register at dapp.rx lab.com as of the information. But for more information, please reach out to us. And you just simply have to register here and then invite 10 of your friends or crypto enthusiasts. And yeah, then you will start earning permanently from our end. And there are, could say, only 14,000 NFT available that basically explain the scarcity and utility of it. So it's like a long value for it. So just grab it and buy our NFT and be the early supporter, or could say exclusive supporter of our ecosystem. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that amazing explanation about the NFTs. And once again, I believe this is a really fantastic thing to know that, basically owning these NFTs are really packed with privileges and benefits as well. So, once again, that is very wonderful. Thank you very much. So, now let's move forward to another question. So, we've talked about the IEO that is ongoing. We've also talked about the amazingness that this token can offer, especially the one that is, basically it is set to surpass Bitcoin. So, Miss Lovely, we are just very curious as well. Can you maybe spill to us what is the future plan of RXR Lab token?
All right, would love to, Caitlin. So, yeah, guys, actually, we have like different plans coming up. If you guys are asking about the short-term plans, so yeah, our IO is going until April 7th. So just grab the opportunity, and we are already live on Unisap, so do check it out. And in April, we are going to launch on $1 purchase the app as well. So stay tuned on our all the social channels. Keep an eye on our announcement, could say channels. You will get like further update over there. And on Q2, actually, our Node and NFT system will launch. We will do the global marketing and KOL partnership as well for more inclusivity, for more popular, I mean, like for more exposure of $1 purchase as well. Okay, and about the last, like the second half of this year, we will launch more games and will support multi-chain as well. We'll planning to list on almost 20 centralized exchange. Stay tuned for that. And our end goal is to list on Binance, of course. And yeah, for more information, do follow all our social channels, and you will get like further update about our future plans over there. Because it's the I mean, I could say ever evolving platform, guys. I mean, like the Web3 space is ever evolving. So we change whenever we see certain change, we will adapt according to that. But as of the moment, these are the basic roadmap of this year. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds very exciting for us to hear. So thank you so much, Miss Lovely, for sharing us about the future plans that we should definitely look forward to. That is something very thrilling for us to hear. So to the people listening, guys, like what Miss Lovely mentioned, there are lots of exciting things ahead. So guys, I recommend you to follow them on their socials to be more updated on the latest happenings about RXR Lab. Thank you so much. So now let's move forward to another quick question as well. Uh, Miss Lovely, can you identify to us who is the target audience of RXR Labs innovations in the crypto market?
All right, so very simple answer from my end, Miss Caitlin. Our audience is massive. I'm like all around the globe. But if you asking specifically, so all crypto user, whether in DeFi sector, the NFTs, or could say all the Web3 enthusiasts, over like 1 million global lottery player can now like have a fairer, fun, or a profitable alternative. So I will recommend all and each of every one of you who are like listening us right now, invite your friends, grab the reward, and yeah, be the part of our incredible project. You will love it. And yeah, our target audience are all the crypto enthusiasts like you and like all our viewers right now. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Lovely. And now, since we're already talking about the context of, you know, basically about the market that RXR Lab is in, can you also introduce us, about the background, about the gambling and lottery market in the space?
I'm so sorry. Could you please repeat your question, Katie?
Yes, for sure. So once again, like I mentioned before, since we're already in the context of, the market and such, can you also give us a little background? Like, can you introduce us about the gambling and lottery market as well?
All right, yeah, of course. So, yeah, guys, actually, this is quite risky as well, but it might change your all fortune from my point of view. So, yeah, you can try your luck here, but do your own research as well. And this is the most, could see personal advice from my end as well. Always use only 10% of your saving, not whole. This is very risky, and you don't have to like worry about your I'm like, just by investing 10% of your saving, you will not gonna like bankrupt, right? So this is important. Try your luck, but in a very strategic manner. Okay, so other than this, gambling and could see lottery, these all are very entertaining stuff as well. Here you will get a lot of amount as well, but you can lose as well. So please do care of that. And that's like a little advice or little introduction from my end about this. gaming and the lottery sector. Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much, Miss Lovely. That is actually something really nice to hear. That can be a handful of tip and advice for our listeners right now as well. Thank you very much. That's amazing. So now one last question that I have for you, Miss Lovely. So since we mentioned earlier, right, about the amazingness that they can read on the white paper of RXR Lab. So, Miss Lovely, can you tell us where can one access the white paper for RXR Lab to gain a deeper understanding of its mission and methodologies as well? And also, how can individuals engage with the RXR Lab community through platforms that say like, the ones that we all use, like Telegram, X, or Discord?
Yeah, for sure. So, guys, yeah, if you are interested in our platform, I will invite you all, but just try it out once and join our like official website that is about dap.rxlab.com. And from there, you can like find our white paper, DApp link actually, and our could see follow our could see Axe handle for further update about our platform. This is the main source that I would recommend to all of you. And yeah, join our Telegram group as well for discussion together with like other community member as well. And if you have like any query, up drop your question, we are here to guide you or assist you. So yeah, that's the basic thing. And yeah, register here as well. Actually, you find the register link on our website, so do check it out. Yeah.
Thank you for that, Miss Lovely. And for sure, of course, we're going to be helping our community members right now with the links as well. So to the people listening, you can find all of the social media links leading to RXR Lab in our Telegram community on Crypto Astronaut. So it is currently pinned in our global chat. So make sure to access all things in there, including their Telegram community, guys. If you have any questions about RXR Lab, you can hop in on their community. And also, you can also follow them on X to get the latest updates. And if you would want to get fuller information about RXR Lab, make sure to check out their Medium link, website, and more. So basically, guys, all the white paper, the DAP link, it can all be found on those links that I've mentioned. So yeah, thank you very much, Miss Lovely, for answering all of the questions that we have for today's AMA. It's been a fantastic AMA with you. But before we officially end, can you please, maybe leave a little message to the community listening with us? Like any closing remarks will do.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much, Miss Caitlin, for such a wonderful hosting, first of all. And yeah, thank you so much to all the viewer for your valuable time on listening us very carefully. Really, really appreciate it. And yeah, as I told you earlier as well, I use it will like run till 7th of April. So join fast and we'll list on 9th of April. So be ready to buy the token. And once again, we will going to list on P2B, bit storage, as I told you earlier as well, DAX trade. Okay, so just buy the token from there and start trading, happy earning, and be the part of our lottery system as well. And for more question, please ask us. Feel free to like ask those on our social channels. We are more than happy to answer them. Yep, that's what it. That was it. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Miss Lovely. And once again, thank you for interacting with our community, from personally visiting our community for today and educating us about RXR Lab. It's a great pleasure for us to have you on board. And actually, we learned a lot from this session. So we're so grateful to have you here. It's a great honor for the Crypto Astronaut community. And also to the people who tuned in with us today, thank you so much, guys, for your support. I hope you guys learned a lot. Once again, for any other questions that you want to ask, go over to their Telegram community to personally contact the team in there or their admins, moderators, and you can even interact with their community in there. So yeah, go check it out. And we're going to be waiting for you guys in their community. So I believe that concludes our Amy for today. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a very fantastic day ahead. Thank you, Miss Lovely. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye bye for now. Thank you and see you once again. Bye bye.
Okay, bye guys. Have a great day.